Hello everyone and welcome back to Programming Fields. I'm Umesh Rana and I'm here with the very first video on Laravel interview preparation series. In this video, we will be diving deep into the world of web development and exploring the incredibly popular framework known as Laravel. Also, we will take a closer look at what Laravel is and why it has gained such huge popularity in the market. Additionally, we will explore the key architectural concept within Laravel, the MVC pattern on which Laravel works, and how it makes efficient the web development process. So if you are a web developer, a passionate programmer, or just curious about web technologies, keep watching. So the very first and a common question that mostly asked from a beginner is what is Laravel? Laravel is an open source PHP web application framework that is created by Taylor Otwell. It was released in 2011. It has since become one of the most widely used and beloved PHP frameworks in the world. So the very interesting thing that you need to know what makes Laravel so special. Well, there are several reasons behind its popularity. The very first thing is elegant syntax. One of the key reasons for Laravel's success is its elegant and expressive syntax that makes code writing and reading a joy for developers. The second one is modularity. Laravel is designed with a wide range of built-in features and libraries which helps developers perform common web development tasks with ease. These features include authentication, routing, session management, and many more. Also, it provides Blade templating engine to render HTML thing. So Laravel includes the Blade templating engine which simplifies and speeds up the process of creating views and templates for your web application. The next feature is Eloquent ORM. So Eloquent ORM is Laravel's object relational mapping that stands for, and it enables developers to work with database using a simple intuitive syntax, allowing for efficient database interaction. There is Artisan Console, provides Artisan command line tool that automates various tasks such as database migration, testing, creating controller, code generation, making development faster, and many more. Now next, we'll come to this point why Laravel is so popular. So Laravel's popularity can be attributed to its continuous updates, vibrant community, and extensive documentation. It has a robust ecosystem with numerous packages and extensions that makes it versatile for a wide range of web development projects. Furthermore, Laravel provides secure, well-structured code and follows best practices, which is crucial in today's digital landscape. Now moving to the second question that you need to know in order to understand the architecture of Laravel. So this is MVC architecture that Laravel follows. Now let's discuss the heart of Laravel's structure, the MVC, that stands for model, view, and controller. So here you can see in this diagram, this is the workflow of MVC. Now let's understand the MVC by segregating these M, V, and C. So the very first thing, M stands for model. The model in Laravel represents the data and the database structure. It is responsible for interacting with the database, that performs data manipulation, and it will apply business logic. And models are the backbone of your application, and using this model you can interact with the database, you can make any query, you can just save data to the database. So overall, the database related operations will be performed by model here. Next you will have view. So the view will be just a representation layer. Here view is responsible for presenting data to the user. It takes the data from the model and generates the user interface. In Laravel, Blade templates are commonly used for creating views. They allow for dynamic content rendering and template inheritance. The next thing is controller. The controller acts as an intermediary between the model and view. It receives users' requests, processes them, and communicates with the model to retrieve and manipulate data. So basically you can say this will work as a mediator between view and model. How MVC works together? In the MVC architecture, you can see here the model, view, and controller work together to create a structured and modular application. When a user interacts with the web application built on Laravel, the following sequences occurs. So there you have it. Laravel is a powerful PHP framework known for its elegant syntax, extensive features, and it follows MVC architecture. Its popularity in web development continues to grow, making it a top choice for developers worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.